So, hello everyone, we have given the integration of integral x over the square root of 1 minus 4x squared and dx. Our main method is going to method of substitution, and this is example number 2. So let's get started to use our main law of the substitution. First of all, students and the followers, you may have a question, what should we do substitution? First of all, the main substitution part it should be something that really look complicated. So look, we have on the top there is the x value, right? But on the bottom there is going to be like a square root of 1 minus 4x cubed, 4x squared, I mean. So this part definitely is much complicated than the x1, right? So we're going to write as u is equal to 1 minus 4x squared, right? So, and both sides we should take the derivative respect to the left side we should take the derivative respect to the u, but on the right side we should take the respect to the x. So derivative respect to the u, it's just our du. So x derivative to the respect to this expression is going to be minus 8 over x, all right? x8 multiplied to the x, sorry. So that's it. What we have here, first of all, du is equal to minus 8 over x, right? Our task is just simplify this part, because we simplified, we can substitute under the root of 1 minus 4x as a u easily. But as about the x and dx, we should simplify as a du, yes, but we have like a minus 8, right? Before the x, we have minus 8 multiplied to x. So our task is going to divide to the both sides our minus 8, and in order to simplify it, right? So it's going to be minus 8, we're going to simplify, and it's going to be du over minus 8, and it's equal to just only x value, right? So that's it. It's going to be our like integration of minus instead of the dx, right? We're going to put as well dx, sorry, because we take the derivative and we should not forget to write dx as well. So we're going to take the what? We're going to take that. So it's going to be 1 over square root of this part is u, right? And the x and dx we can write as a 1 minus 1 over u du we're going to write. So in this part we can take out of the bracket minus 8 into the out of the integration sign. So it's going to be as minus 1 over 8 the integration of 1 over square root of u du. Okay, so this part is going to be what else? What is equal to? First of all, it's just a moment of the exponent integration, right? We can write as root of x as the exponent x over 1 or 2. So it's going to be minus 1 over 2, minus 1 over 8. It's going to be integration of 1 over x 1 over 2. Sorry, u 1 over 2 du. In this part is going to be equal to minus 1 over 8. This is going to be equal to we can write it as a 1 over u squared as u minus 2, right? So it's going to be integration of u minus 2 du. So integration of the exponent number is going to be as a 1 over 8. It's going to be 1 minus 1 and divided to minus 1, right? It's integration of minus 2. And we should not forget to plus a constant sign as a plus c. So this is going to be equal to just minus and minus is cancelled out. We have 1 over 8 and we have like 1 over u. So it's going to be 1 over u, and this part is going to be equal to plus c. So first of all, this is almost the finish of the exercises, but at the end of the kind of expression we should come back to our x value. So instead of the u we're going to write the signs as a 1 over 4x, right? And so we're going to write as a 1 over so it's going to be 1 over 1 minus 4x squared and plus c. That's it. It's our main kind of the answer for that integration. So if you have any question regarding to the example for integration method by substitution, please write down any question to the comment below. I try to answer every question that you have. Thank you for attention.